Do you constantly feel like your throat is clogged with mucus or phlegm that just won't go away no matter what you do? What if I told you there's a simple, natural, and incredibly powerful plant that can clear your throat in just a few minutes? And you've probably never even heard of it? This is new information. Very few doctors know about it. And those who do, usually nutritionists or integrative medicine specialists, charge small fortunes just to share this natural secret. But today you'll discover everything without paying a single cent. This plant was used for centuries by ancient civilizations to cleanse the lungs, treat stubborn coughs, and eliminate respiratory secretions that make breathing difficult. But like everything that's natural and truly effective, it was slowly forgotten. Why? Because it doesn't generate profit for the pharmaceutical industry. How many times have you spent money on syrups, lozenges, or sprays that only mask the symptoms? The truth is, many of these products don't treat the root cause, they just make you dependent on them. Here is a quick win. Most people don't know that milk and dairy products increase mucus production in the body. That's right. That morning cup of coffee with milk or that slice of cheese before bed might be making your condition worse every single day. Reducing these foods can make a huge difference in your respiratory health. So stay with me until the end of this video because not only will I reveal which plant naturally clears your throat in minutes, but I will also teach you exactly how to prepare and take it for fast and lasting effects. You'll get a powerful recipe that will help you breathe freely again. No more throat clearing all day long. And if you're ready to truly take care of your health, write this in the comments with all your heart. My life is sacred. And share this video with at least 3 people you love and want to see healthy. Your action can save lives. What's behind all that mucus? Let me explain it like this. Imagine an old water tank on top of a house. When it's clean and well-maintained, the water flows down clear, fresh, and pure. But when it's forgotten, it starts accumulating dirt, slime, and dead leaves. The water comes out cloudy, heavy, and unpleasant. That's exactly what happens inside your body. Mucus is like that dirty water, a clear sign something's wrong and your body needs internal cleansing. It tries to defend itself, but when mucus builds up, it becomes a silent poison, affecting your breathing, voice, energy, and even your sleep. And here's something even more surprising. Mucus isn't just from colds or flu. It can be caused by inflammatory foods you eat daily, like milk, cheese, processed meats, white flour, and refined sugar. These are the real saboteurs of your respiratory health. So before taking any action, you need to clean your inner system. The natural plant that does exactly that, guaco. The Prowler's 1 plant to eliminate phlegm and mucus from your throat and lungs quickly and effectively is guaco. Also known as Mecania glomerata, snake herb, or Brazilian liana, guaco is native to South America and widely used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory issues. What does guaco do? Guaco works as a natural expectorant. It loosens thick and sticky phlegm from the throat and lungs, making it easier to expel through coughing. It also relaxes the bronchi, improves breathing, and reduces airway inflammation, relieving throat irritation and that heavy chest feeling. And the best part? It's easy to find and simple to prepare. How to make guaco tea you'll need: 1 tablespoon of fresh guaco leaves or 1 teaspoon of dried leaves. 1 cup of boiling water. Instructions. Place the leaves in the hot water, cover, and let it steep for about 10 minutes. Then strain and drink while still warm. Recommended dosage: up to 3 cups per day, preferably before meals for better absorption. Use for up to 30 days, then take a break. Best times to take it: morning, on an empty stomach. Before lunch, early evening. Warning: guaco should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women, children under 2 years, or people with liver issues. Always consult a healthcare provider in these cases. You can find guaco at farmers markets, health food stores, and herbal pharmacies. Always buy from trusted sources and make sure the label shows the correct plant species. Now, the natural syrup that clears mucus. Completely. This is an ancient recipe used in rural communities by midwives, herbalists, and traditional healers. Passed down for generations, it was nearly forgotten with the rise of pharmaceutical medicine. But today, it's back, and more powerful than ever. This is the Phlegm Sweeper Syrup, a natural blend of ingredients with expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and mucolytic effects. It dissolves mucus, clears the airways, and helps the body get rid of secretions more easily. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, powder or freshly grated, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper, optional, but boosts turmeric absorption. Instructions. Mix all the ingredients in a glass container until you get a smooth syrup. Store it in a dark glass jar with a tight lid. How to use it: take 1 teaspoon of the syrup 3 times a day. Morning on an empty stomach, afternoon before bedtime. Continue for 7 to 10 days, or until your throat and lungs feel clear. Why it works: honey soothes and fights bacteria. Lemon cuts through mucus and boosts immunity. Ginger heats and dissolves secretions. Turmeric fights inflammation. Black pepper improves turmeric's absorption. Together, these ingredients clean the body like an internal broom. Contraindications: diabetics should use caution with honey or replace it with alcohol-free propolis. Those allergic to any of the ingredients, especially ginger or pepper, should consult a professional herbalist for safe alternatives. For even better results, combine this syrup with guaco tea. This duo is powerful and can completely transform the respiratory health of anyone suffering from chronic mucus, phlegm, shortness of breath, or coughing. This natural remedy you just discovered is only a small sample of what nature can do for you. There are many others just as powerful, but most people don't even know they exist or how to use them. If this knowledge inspired you and you believe it can help others, take action now. Comment below, Simple Natural Health, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to receive more healing insights from nature. You deserve to live free from dependence on medications. Start today. Nature is waiting to take care of you. Much love, deep healing, and may you always breathe freely. See you in the next video. Bye.